Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to TheFonoGuy. So we have been waiting for the upcoming latest Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and their S7 Plus. So this is now the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus live images, and Tab S7 renders leak. Samsung upcoming Galaxy Tab S7 line has been frequented the rumor mile for the last few weeks, and I also make lots of videos, and we have a good idea of what to expect. That the brand flagship tablet now listing in Safety Korea database give us a live looks at the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus from the front and back. As you can see, this is the some dark images, someone shoots, and some front and backside images. It's not clear images. I know this is a dark images, but we can clearly see these will be a big device measuring in around 280 millimeter in length and 185 millimeter in a width. The Tab S6 is 244.5 by 159 by 0.5 millimeter. For a reference, is it expected to carry a 12.4-inch AMOLED display. The images also show us the selfie camera will retain its placement in the middle of the side bezels. The back reveal a clean design with a AKG branding and an elongated strip which houses dual cameras in LED flash and will also likely serve as a spot to hold the S Pen stylus. Apart from the images, we can also see two disconnected model number in the certification with SMT975 and an SMT976, and which are likely the LTE and 5G model of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S7 tablets. Meanwhile, we get another render of the Tab S7, as you can see on your screen, courtesy of Even Plus, which reveals an identical design of the plus-sized Tab S7. The Tab S7 series is expected to launch with the Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, up to 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs storage. Both tablet are rumored to come with a 120Hz refresh rate display, dual 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel camera, and at least one UI 2.5 on top of Android 10. The Tab S7 is expected to carry 7760 mAh battery, while the Tab S7 Plus will come a massive 10,090 mAh big cell battery. So guys, this is the some latest and dark front and back images of the Galaxy S7 Plus. Hope you like this new Galaxy Tab S7. Let me know in the comment section, and also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.